All right, this is a Euro AUD buy that I'm looking at. What caught my attention here on the daily is this wedge forming. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a bunch of touches to the downside so I can take it up. Something like this. Price comes down, reacts from this point, goes back up, reacts from the top, double top here, comes back down. I do have a lot of a lot of corrective movement here. A lot of corrective movement. That shows me that we're going to ride this line. We're going to at least come up to here. If not, we're going to get it higher, take profit. Anyways, how I'm going to chart this, I got my first pattern here. I got the wedge. I'm looking for a line for support. I'm looking for a line for resistance. Drop down to the hour. Hour is going to show me a little more in detail. I have a lot of buy sensitivity here, here, here. A couple of things that stand out to me on this is going to be the hammer right here. This hammer right here. A hammer says at the bottom of a down push, we're going to form a hammer, and that's going to indicate a reversal. Okay, wasn't ready for it. This one right here, we were a little bit more ready. I also have an engulfing pattern here. So this engulfing is going to send it back down. And what I'm looking for is that engulfing pattern to send it right back down to get my order. My order is going to be somewhere, I want to say somewhere right around here in this area, because I have my wicks. I want to put my order in with the wicks. And then my take profit is going to be either take profit 1, past price, take profit 2 right here, take profit 3, something like that. Even better, what we're shooting for is going to be up here. This would be my main take profit. This is what the trade would look like. This is what I would do. I would wait for price to be in profit 1%, and then I would move my stop loss to break even, which is here. Once my trade is in 2%, I'll move my stop loss to 1% in profit, and so on and so forth all the way up. Or if I want to just let it ride and I feel good in my technical analysis, I can just let it ride. However your trading strategy, however your plan dictates, you're going to do that. I'll keep you posted on this. This is the hour. Really what I'm looking for is I'm looking for an entry on the 15. Let's take just a little closer look at that one real quick. Let's take a closer look at this. And really, let's see here. Yeah, I mean, this could have been a little head and shoulders drop down. I'm thinking that price is going to move down a little further and get that order for me. Either way, if price doesn't come down and get that order, I'll catch it a different way. These sell limits are another thing in between, another buffer in between you and making the wrong decisions. All right, get this money back.